Hello everybody, how are you? This is Karthik Poovanam. I'm a leadership coach, author and a travel explorer. The vehicle gets stuck. You need to have jugaad. If you don't have jugaad like this, that's it. Not possible. And what beautiful mountains. After a wonderful session, here I am, absolutely enjoying the beautiful vibe, connectedness, and the joy of being in these places and feeling the awesomeness of the vibe. This is beautiful. This is totally beautiful place to take a walk, to feel the nature, and to feel the self even more. Ooh, it's amazing. I often wonder when people tell me, Karthik, what motivates you a lot? What inspires you? Well, to see that human beings communicate with each other with harmony. To create that world inspires me because today the greatest scarcity is love on the planet. Respect, joy, well-being, oneness, connectedness, all of these things you don't find. And why? Simply because these are not taught in textbooks, these are not rewarded, and your brain will not release any dopamine, which will be like a motivational factor for you to aspire to live that kind of a life, because there are no rewards. Constantly struggling, you will have little metabolic reward. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is a completely different terrain altogether. And to feel the vibe, to feel the connectedness, I feel is what one needs in these spaces. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Wonderful. So amazing. You know, when I saw these rocks, I thought, oh, there's somebody here. It's beautiful to be in these spaces. Connect with life, feel energized, and feel deeply motivated all the time. The frozen lake, this is a lake, it's completely frozen. Maybe in the month of April it might look more beautiful. But there's a certain beauty in the frozen lake as well. You can see people have been walking here in this frozen lake. The footsteps, it's beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, life connects you to greater possibilities, to higher levels of functioning, only and only when you engage in a very joyful time with yourself. Have a great time, everybody. This is Karthik Poovanam. I'm a leadership coach, author, and a travel explorer. And I will keep you all more connected. And I will share with you certain thoughts as and when I feel like from these absolutely brilliant spaces. Till then, have a great day. Have an awesome time with yourself.